Oh, wait. Are you going to the Gadget Repair Expo? We're going to the Expo. We're going to the Gadget Repair Expo where all the industry, the repair industry, the wireless industry, technologies, all kind of competitions. Guys, a lot of cool stuff is going to be there, and I'm going to be there. I got 2 hours of speaking in the second day on the 19th. Make sure to attend. There's a lot of surprises. I'm not going to tell you what's going to happen, but there's someone who's going to win. I'm going to pull you on stage. I'm going to let you speak about what's exactly you're going through. Let's talk together. Let's pull through together, and let's learn and how to upsell, how to market, how to brand, how to build a team. You got to build a team, man. You have to build a team, powerful team, so you can win. We're going to make sure we talk about a lot of cool stuff. Remember, and it's in Vegas. Who doesn't want to be in Vegas? Come on over. We're going to be in Vegas at the Gadget Repair Expo, and you're going to be there as well. Click the link. Get your tickets, guys. Don't wait any longer. Get your ticket. Get your rooms. It's going to be fun. Vegas is waiting for you, and I'll be there as well. See ya.